Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and advice for living a healthy and happy life. Today's video is going to be a game changer for many of you out there. We'll be talking about something that affects millions of people worldwide: diabetes. Specifically, we'll delve into how to reverse diabetes and lose weight naturally, how to avoid diabetes in its early stages, how to cure type 2 diabetes with diet and exercise, how to check diabetes at home without a machine, how to differentiate between type 1 and type 2 diabetes, how to check if you have diabetes at home, and how to avoid getting diabetes altogether. So, let's jump right into it. 1. Reversing diabetes and losing weight naturally. When it comes to diabetes, one of the most effective ways to manage, and even reverse, it is through a natural approach. First and foremost, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Obesity and excess weight can worsen insulin resistance, a key factor in diabetes. So, here are a few tips to help you shed those extra pounds and get your blood sugar levels back on track. Incorporate a balanced diet. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid sugary drinks and foods high in saturated fats. Portion control. Keep an eye on your portion sizes to avoid overeating. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activities you enjoy, like walking, swimming, or dancing. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Remember, gradual and sustainable changes are key. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. To avoiding diabetes in the early stages. Prevention is always better than cure, and this holds true for diabetes as well. If you're concerned about developing diabetes or have a family history of the condition, here are some steps you can take to avoid it in the early stages. Maintain a healthy weight. Just like we discussed earlier, excess weight can increase your risk of diabetes. Focus on maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Make healthy food choices. Opt for foods that are low in sugar, saturated fats, and processed ingredients. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. Stay active. Engage in regular physical activity to keep your body active and your metabolism running smoothly. Find activities you enjoy to make it a sustainable habit. Remember, these steps are not only beneficial for preventing diabetes, but also for overall well-being. 3. Curing type 2 diabetes with diet and exercise. If you've already been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, don't lose hope. With the right approach, you can effectively manage and even reverse it. Let's talk about how diet and exercise can play a pivotal role in curing type 2 diabetes. Low carb, high fiber diet. Cut back on refined carbohydrates, sugary foods, and drinks. Instead, focus on whole foods like vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients and help regulate blood sugar levels. Regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity helps your body use insulin more effectively and can improve insulin sensitivity. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercises and strength training. Consistency is key. Stick to your diet and exercise routine over the long term. Small, sustainable changes can yield significant results. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. For checking diabetes at home without a machine. Wondering how you can check your blood sugar levels at home without a machine? While it's important to note that a proper diagnosis requires professional testing, here are a few signs that may indicate the need for further evaluation. Frequent urination. If you find yourself rushing to the bathroom more often than usual, it could be a sign of elevated blood sugar levels. Increased thirst and hunger. Experiencing unexplained thirst and hunger, even after eating, may be indicative of diabetes. Fatigue and blurred vision. Feeling constantly tired and experiencing blurred vision can be potential symptoms of diabetes. Remember, these signs alone are not a definitive diagnosis, but if you're experiencing any of them, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper testing and diagnosis. 5. Differentiating between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Many people wonder about the differences between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Let's break it down for you. Type 1 diabetes. It's an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. People with type 1 diabetes require insulin injections to survive. Type 2 diabetes. This is the most common form of diabetes and often develops due to a combination of genetic and lifestyle factors. In type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough of it. It can often be managed through lifestyle changes, diet, and medication. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, discussing how to reverse diabetes and lose weight naturally, how to avoid diabetes in its early stages, how to cure type 2 diabetes with diet and exercise, how to check diabetes at home without a machine, how to differentiate between type 1 and type 2 diabetes, how to check if you have diabetes at home, and how to avoid getting diabetes altogether. Remember, these tips are intended to be educational and informative, and it's always important to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We appreciate your support. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.